Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the POCO X3 GT. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth application, I will start it from the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the reboot. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to activate power mode you will find the manual to the device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so check it by yourself and be sure that your Bluetooth device is in the power mode and should be visible for other devices. But if you still don't see it on your phone, just go to the settings, slide down and look for the additional settings. Oh, sorry, no, we have to go up and go to the connection sharing. Then slide down again and look for the Reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. So just tap on it, tap on the reset settings and click OK. After that, look for your device again. You can also try to update your system. How to do it? Open the settings and go to the About phone, then tap on the MIUI version and check. If you have any updates, just download that and install. And also recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making a problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment and goodbye.